Stoked to be installing the first Build 8 stack at my home-based gym. This is Heather's gym called Raise the Bar here in Gerald, Texas. We're gonna be moving a few pieces around to make some room for it. Putting in 8 stack jungle gym, multi-station piece in here. It'll be the centerpiece of this gym. It's gonna look great, it's gonna look super clean, and we're gonna show you guys what that looks like. It's a lot of moving parts, a lot of moving pieces around. It should take us about an hour or so. Let's get into it.
Yeah, pretty successful. I think the customer was very happy with all the equipment that we loaded into this truck. Went efficiently, and and then we set up this and went exactly how we planned it. So planning is the game.
We did quite a few different things. As you can see, we put in our Build 8 stack over here at Raise the Bar in Gerald. We had to move a few things around from them. They took a trailer load of stuff away so they can add a few more build pieces in, and just kind of did a little rearranging. You know, you want to keep a lot of brands with the same brands, especially when you're talking about series and lines. You know, you have the Precor Discovery series, you have the Precor S-Line series. So aesthetically, especially for me, I love keeping all those series together. I also love keeping leg machines together, and then arm machines, you know, upper body, lower body, all of that good stuff. So did a little bit of shifting, and it's amazing how everything can kind of flow into a different place just from moving one machine to the opposite side of the gym and creating more space for more new pieces, and it flows even better.